welcome back to my channel. My name is Kiki. Today I'm going to show you guys a whole day of eating for my family. I get a lot of questions from you guys asking me if my kids eat the same or how does everybody else eat in my household, and the truth is that everybody eats the same for the most part as me. They do have more options as far as baked goods and fats because they didn't have the health issues I had, and my children are growing so they get to have more nuts and seeds than I would. Today is a nice, cold, snowy, cozy Sunday, so I'm gonna show you guys all the yummy food we're gonna be having today. All right, so Sunday in our house tends to be waffle day, so today I'm gonna be making some pumpkin spice waffles. They are gluten-free and sugar-free and so easy. You just throw everything into the blender, blend it up, and then pour the batter into waffle irons. If you don't have any waffle irons, then you can just cook them like pancakes and they come out great as well.
Yeah.
Okay, so for lunch, I'm just gonna do some twice baked potatoes. These are some sweet potatoes that I baked the other day, and these are some just regular Yukon Gold potatoes that have already been baked as well. And I'm gonna take the skin off and then cut them in coins. Okay, so for these sweet potatoes, all I'm gonna do is season them with a little garlic salt. You can season them however you like. For the rest of the potatoes, all I'm gonna do is cut them in half and then I scrape them up really good, and this gets really crispy and delicious in the oven. It's so good. Now, to season these ones, it's really easy. I just put white distilled vinegar in this little spray bottle, and we just like a little tang on our potatoes. So I spray these with white vinegar, and then I season them with garlic salt. And then the last ingredient is some nutritional yeast, which is so good and cheesy. For the salad, all I've done is taken the spring mix of greens and added Honeycrisp apple, cucumber, and red onion, and then I've made a smoky maple vinaigrette, and I will put the recipe for all of this in the description box, so don't worry about it. It's super simple, so good. Give it a try. So my youngest one just refuses to eat salad. She just does not enjoy it, so I will also be making them a quick green smoothie. Now I make these bags ahead of time and keep them in the freezer because my kids like to have green smoothies in the morning with their cereal. All it is pineapple, ground flaxseed, any greens of your choice. We have collard greens in here, and then I add a banana or two and some water, and that's it. So she loves a green smoothie, so if she needs to eat her greens liquefied, I am okay with that.
Yeah.
that is our quick and easy dinner. You can see the rice and the veggies, and at the end I threw in 2 cans of water chestnuts because my kids love the crunch, but we don't like them to be soggy. So if you throw those in, wait till the very end, and you can put whatever sauce you want on your rice and veggies. We love sweet chili sauce, but we also really love, when we're in town, going to this Asian restaurant, and they make an amazing General Tso sauce that tastes unreal. So I have asked them to make me a quart of it, and I bring that home. And they do put chili oil in it, and I have asked them to make it without it before, but they don't like to do that a whole lot for me. So what I figured out is that if I come home and put it in the freezer, then the fat rises to the top and freezes, and then when I take it out of the freezer, I can scoop all the fat off really easily. So that's another idea. If you have a favorite restaurant, I know I love some of the sauces from P.F. Chang's too. You can buy their sauces in the restaurant, ask them to leave out the oil, make it however you need them to, and that's another great way to get some delicious flavored sauces to put on your meal as well. For today, I made a lot of dinner to have leftovers for the week. I always make a lot of rice when I make it, and I can freeze it in bags in the freezer, but we'll probably have the Asian bowl leftovers for maybe like 2 days for easy lunches for us. If my kids want something after dinner, they usually grab frozen fruit or make some air popped popcorn. If this were a Friday, I'd usually have a treat made. I'll make like vegan brownies or some vegan cookies. We also really love this pudding that you can get at Whole Foods that is vegan as well, and we love the vanilla one too. And all you do is add plant milk. It does have sugar, so if you want your kids to have no sugar, you know, they can have frozen fruit. I don't know, I let them on Fridays definitely have a little treat, and we all really enjoy this. We put sprinkles in it, sliced bananas. I can't remember if I already said that, but I've already done this take like 5 times, so I'm not gonna do it again. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to keep it simple, take it one day at a time, make it about health, and you will do great. I love you guys, and I will see you next time.
Yes.